Okay, so I'm gonna do a startup and shutdown of my grandparents' Lennox Elite series central air conditioner. There's a Cope and Squirrel compressor. So I'm gonna set the camera on this new tripod, which I got. And I'm gonna go start it up. Okay, so there's the startup. Suction line's cold, not sweaty. It's from 2004, and it's 4-ton. Okay. I'm gonna make this a quick video, so I'm gonna go shut it off now. Okay, so there's the shutdown. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and over and out.